Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Mathematics, Grade 6, Chapter 2, Whole Numbers. Chapter 2, Whole Numbers. So what is meant by whole numbers? Natural numbers with 0 is called whole numbers. The numbers acting with 0 is called whole numbers. Predecessor and successor. Given number 6 plus 1 is a successor. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called the number line. Addition on the number line. The add whole numbers on the number line. Always count the points right hand to left hand side. Closure property of addition and multiplication. Sum of any two whole number is a whole number. Sum of any two whole number is a whole number. That means 4 is a whole number plus 6 is a whole number. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 is also whole number. Commutative of addition and multiplication. 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5 is a commutative. Because the number A is a whole number and B is a whole number, 5 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, 5 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 is also whole number. Listen here, here 5 plus 3, here 3 plus 5. A plus B, B plus A. That is a commutative property. A plus B is equal to B plus A. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is also 8. Next one, associative of addition and multiplication. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Listen here. 4 then plus 3 plus 2. 4, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 9 is also 9. So it is a associative property. Distributive property of multiplication or addition. Distributive property is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Listen here. A into B plus C. That means 4 into 3 plus 5 is equal to, we multiply by 4 into 3. Next 4 into 5. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. Listen here. 4 into 3. 4 into 5. 4 3s are 12 plus 4 5s are 20. 12 plus 20 is equal to 32. It is a distributive property of multiplication or addition. The next one, additive and multiplicative identity of whole numbers. Additive identity is 0. Then multiplication is 1. Multiplication units is 1. 14 plus 0 is equal to 14. 14 plus 0 is equal to 14. That is called the addition of 0. Addition of 0 to any whole number gives whole number. Addition of 0 to any whole number gives a whole number. 0 is called an identity for addition of whole numbers. Or additive identity. 0 is called identity for addition and additive identity for whole numbers. 7 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 16 is equal to 0. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 1 into 3, 24 is equal to 24. Max class 6 chapter 2 whole numbers exercise 2.1 question number 1. Write the next three natural numbers. We want to next three natural numbers. Already we know the natural numbers. What is in the natural numbers? Natural numbers is equal to starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next class it is called a natural numbers. Question number 1. Natural numbers. One, two, three, 4, 5, and etc. It is called a natural numbers. And then whole numbers. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next class is called a whole numbers. Next is successor. Successor means plus 1. Then predecessor means minus 1. Successor means plus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. Right? Next three natural numbers after 10,999. We want to three natural numbers after 10,999. The first number is 10,999. We want to next three numbers. Next means plus. So plus 1 is equal to 11,000. Our first number is 11,000. Then second one 11,000 plus 1 is equal to 11,001. This is second number. Next one 11,001 plus 1 is equal to 11,002. This is third number. First one 11,000, then second one 11,001, then third one 11,002. Then question number 2. Write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Just before means that means minus 1. 10,000 minus 1 is equal to 10,000. 10,001 minus 1 is equal to 10,000. 10,000 minus 1 is equal to 9,999. 9,999 minus 1 is equal to 9,998. It is a next before three numbers 10,000, 9,999, 9,998. Question number 3. Which is the smallest whole number? Already you know that. Which is the smallest whole numbers? Listen here. 0 is the smallest whole numbers. 0 is the smallest whole numbers. And question number 4. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? 32 and 53. Number of whole numbers between 32 and 53. We want to minus last number minus first number. So 53 minus 32 is equal to 21. Again minus 1 is equal to 20. So our answer is 20. Listen here. 53 minus 32. 53 last number. The first number is 21. First number is 32. Our formula is last number minus first number, again minus 1. Last number is equal to 53 minus the first number is equal to 32, then minus 1. We add two numbers 32 minus 31 is equal to 33. Here 53. So 53 minus 33 is equal to 20. So our answer is equal to 20. next one, write the successor of 24,40,701. Successor means plus 1. So 24,40,701 plus 1 is equal to 24,40,702. The next one, write the predecessor of 94. Predecessor of 94. 94 means minus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. 94 minus 1 is equal to 93. The next question number 7. In each of the following pairs, state which whole number is the left, the other number is on the number line. Also write the appropriate sign. It is a greater than or less than between them. 530, 503. 530 greater than 503. 530 is greater than. The open side is the greater than side. So 530 greater than 503. Question number 8. Next one, exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the sum of suitable rearrangement. The A part 837 plus 208 plus 363. The first term 837, the second term 208, then third one 363. Listen the first and last term. The first term is 7. The last term, last value is 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. That is a rounded value. So we add first and last 837 plus 363 plus remaining term 208. So we add two terms. Our answer is 1200 plus remaining term 208. 1200 plus 208 is equal to 1408. The next question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. We want to multiplication 2 into 1765 into 50. The first number, the smallest number 2, then last number 50. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. So 1768 the first term into, we multiply 2 into 50. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. So 1768 into 100. So our answer is 1,76,800. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. 297 into 70 plus 297 into 3. Listen here. 297 into 70 plus 297 into 3. 297 into 7, 297 into 3. We use the descriptive property. A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. So A is equal to 297 into B is equal to 17 plus A is equal to 297 into C is equal to 3. Formula is 297 into 17 plus 3. 297 into 20. 297 into 2. 7 2s are 40, remaining 1. 9 2s are 18, remaining 1, 19. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Our answer is 5940. 5940. Then question number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. First one, 738 into 103. 738 into 103. 738 a whole number into 100 into 3. 103. We write the number 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3. Next we multiple. Use the descriptive property A into B plus C. A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Our formula is A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. A into B plus C. Or A value is equal to 738 into 100 plus A into B. A is equal to 738 into C is equal to 3. 738 into 100 is equal to 73,800 plus 738 into 3 is equal to 2,214. We have first and second term. Our answer is 76,014. The next one. Question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters on Monday, and the next day he filled 50 liters. So 40 plus 50, the cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to 44. Petrol filled on Monday 40 liters, and then Tuesday 50 liters. So 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. The amount 44 into 90. 44 into 90 is equal to rupees 3,960. Then question number 6. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk total at the morning and the evening 68 liters. A vendor supplied 32 liters of milk to hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. The milk cost is rupees 15 per liter. The question part is how much money is due to vendor per day. A vendor supply milk to hotel in the morning 32 liters and the evening 68 liters. The total number of liters 32 plus 68 is equal to number of liters is equal to 32 plus 68 is equal to 100. This is the number of liters and the amount is per liter rupees 50. The total amount of milk is equal to 50 into 100. 50 into 100. So 1,500 rupees. So amount 1,500 rupees. Exercise 2.3. Which of the following will not represent 0? 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So A will not represent 0. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. It is represent 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. It is also represent 0. 10 minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. It is also represent 0. The question number 2. Product of two whole number is 0. Product of two whole number is 0. That means 0 into 0 is equal to 0. It is a product of two whole numbers. 0 is a whole number and 2 is a whole number. The answer is also whole number. The next one, both of them will be 0. The condition is 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Next one, question number 3. The product of two whole number is 1. The condition, one and only condition is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. The product of two whole numbers will be 1 if and only if both numbers will be 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Question number 4. Find using distributive property 728 into 101 is equal to 728 the first term and the second term is 101. We write the number 101 is equal to 100 plus 1. So here's the descriptive property A into B, A into C. A into B plus A into C. That means 728 into 100 plus 728 into 1. 728 into 100 is equal to 72,800 plus 728 into 1 is equal to 728. We add two terms. Our answer is 73,528. Thank you all.